At the airport.
Today, Lina and her family are at the airport for a trip. They arrive early with their baggage. Lina is carrying her passport and her ticket. At the check-in window, a check-in officer asks, "Where are you flying today?" Lina's father answers, "We are flying to Paris." Lina says, "May I have a window seat, please?" Her mother says, "I would like an aisle seat." A flight attendant helps the passengers near the plane. Lina looks at the big planes and feels excited. Soon, the family walks to the plane and starts their trip together.